Hi. In this video, we will look at ways to interact with the desktop version of Slack using the Keyboard Extension app on your smartphone. Before you begin, pair the Keyboard Extension app for Windows with the Keyboard Extension mobile app. When you open Slack on your Windows PC, the corresponding widget will automatically turn on your smartphone. Keyboard Extension allows you to switch between chats, enlarge and reduce the text of the interface, switch within a chat by date to quickly find the information you need. You can also search for information by keywords. By tapping on the Activity button, we are taken to the corresponding section. The Search button allows you to search for information across all chats, channels, workspaces, and connected apps. To make sure you don't miss any important information, you can use the Unread Messages section. To quickly send a new message to any user, tap the New Message button. Using Keyboard Extension, you can quickly format text in messages, enable bold and italic fonts, highlight quotes, strike through text, use different types of lists, create video conferences with a single tap. If necessary, you can turn off your microphone and then quickly turn it back on without using your mouse. Exit the call the same way you joined it. Improve your interaction with Slack using Keyboard Extension.